Let us learn how to solve the sums in which we have to put values of the variables. Here is the question. Find the value of 4m square n square into 7m cube when m is equal to minus 1 by 2 and n is equal to 4. In this sum we have to find the value of the given expression by substituting the value of m and n. So let us start with the solution. We have 4m square n square into 7m cube. Putting m is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and n is equal to 4, we get 4m square n square into 7m cube is equal to 4 into the value of m is minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2 whole square and the value of n is 4. So it is 4 square. Again we have 7m cube into 7 into minus 1 upon 2 whole cube. Now let us solve this. 4 into minus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to 1 upon 4. 4 square is equal to 16 into 7 into minus 1 upon 2 whole cube will be a negative number, minus 1 upon 8. So this minus we can bring in the beginning and let us solve this. 4 into 1 upon 4 into 16 into 7 into 1 upon 8. Now start the simplification. 1 times by 8, 16 will be reduced 2 times. Now further simplification is not possible, so we are left with 2 into 7. Hence it is minus 14. So the value of the given expression is minus 14. Let us learn how to do multiplication of algebraic terms. Here is a monomial multiplied by trinomial. So let us proceed with the solution. We have x square y into x cube minus x plus y. This term x square y we have to multiply to each term present in the bracket. So one by one we will multiply. See, the process is like this. We have to multiply this by x square, also by x, and then also by y. So what we have x square y into, it will be confusing, so don't write this, it will be x cube only, minus x square y into x plus x square y into y. Now we have x and x bases are same, so powers will be added up here also, in this term also, and here also power of y will be added up. So let us write directly. It will become 2 plus 3, 5. So we have x to the power 5y minus, here it is the power is 2, here it is 1. So we have x cube y minus x is so plus y have power 1 and here also 1, so it will become y square. So on multiplication of these two terms we will get x to the power 5y minus x cube y plus x square y square. In this way you can do any multiplication.